How to empty picture gallery recycle bin on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting and click on menu. So after click on menu, click on trash. So after click on trash, so if you want to recycle picture gallery, so click on picture. So click on select and click on picture. So after select picture, click on restore. So after click on restore, you will see your pictures is restored. So after the process, your pictures is showing on your folder. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can empty picture gallery recycle bin on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.